Yo, so cool! Good evening, everyone. This is Clem from SkeletonFed Vlog. It's 9 o'clock at night now. This will be a second try for me to record SkeletonFed at night. So currently I am at service route heading to SkeletonFed. Last time I made a video about riding SkeletonFed at night. Unfortunately, the video was showing too dark. I can't really see anything, so I decided to do a second try. It is 9:15 now at night, so I'll be reaching SkeletonFed starting point very soon. Approaching SkeletonFed. We'll be starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! So this section will be alright because it is riding next to Main Street with street lights. So I'm still able to see things around. Once I reach Sawana Parade, it will be very dark. Wish me good luck. Approaching Flagman Welcome and Traganina and Hoppers Crossing Bridge. Just past Carbon Reserve. Okay, this section will be a bit dark. There's no more street light, so I have to rely on my headlights and my experience on this trail. Okay, Sawana Parade Park Playground. Turning right. Alright, start on this section. Will be totally dark. Wish me good luck. Okay, gravel road now. Riding next to Andale Park on the left. Approaching Forsyth Road. Okay, I'm at Forsyth Road now. Gonna turn right on Forsyth Road. Yeah. Okay, all right. Federation Trail. Hopefully no one. So I have to start speeding here. So once I pass this free, there's the halfway of SkeletonFed. Halfway to go. Lucky there's some lights from the warehouse on the left, so I'm still able to see something. I'm still on Federation Trail. Okay, climbing up to the bridge of Federation Trail next to Skeleton Creek Aquadeck. So I'm crossing Skeleton Creek, below our Skeleton Creek. So I'm going to go below of this bridge to go back on the north direction. Okay, meeting Skeleton Creek again. Going under the bridge. Crossing Skeleton Creek on my right. Climbing up. Now I'm back on Skeleton Creek Trail on Hopper's Crossing side. So tonight the moonlight is better than last time. So at least I can still see the route clearer than last time I ride 8:30 on this trail. Approaching Hopper's Crossing Drain. Going down. Passing the drain. Now, Roseland Reserve on my left. Where am I? There's a rabbit. 2 rabbits. Okay. I remember it will be going down from here. Slope. Yes, that's correct. So I'm approaching the bridge for Truckanina and Hopper's Crossing at the front. That's me nearly reached the end of SkeletonFed. Yeah, that's the bridge. Should be approaching Sayers Drain soon. I remember this curve. Yeah. So turning left at the front here will be Sayers Drain footpath. So continue on the north. Continue to the north. Okay, the last stretch of SkeletonFed, the narrow path. Alright, reaching the end. Complete. Okay. All right, have a good night. See you next time.